Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Fiesta indicator bulb. First, make sure you have a suitable screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb for your model. Always ensure the ignition is completely off and the parking brake is engaged before starting any work. You'll need to locate the headlight assembly, which houses the indicator bulb you're replacing. Now, let's get to removing the headlight unit. You'll typically find two retaining bolts on the top of the headlight assembly. Use your screwdriver to carefully unscrew these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit forward to release it from its clips. Finally, disconnect the main electrical connector from the back of the unit by pressing its tab and pulling. With the headlight unit free, you can now access the indicator bulb. Locate the bulb holder, which is usually a small plastic cap. Twist this holder counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from the assembly. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Then, insert your new indicator bulb firmly into the holder, ensuring it's seated correctly. To reassemble, first reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the headlight unit, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Carefully slide the headlight unit back into its original position, making sure all clips align. Reinsert and tighten the two retaining bolts you removed earlier. Before you finish, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Finally, turn on your ignition and test the new indicator bulb to confirm it's working properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.